Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Good morning, papala. Good morning. Happy Thursday, beautiful people. Ang ganda ng panahon. Oh my God. So nice. 3 degrees. But oh my God, sun is out. We are happy. We are lucky. We are breathing. So we are good. We are blessed. Good morning, good morning. Si Tita po ito. I am broadcasting from Ontario, Canada. It's 11:44 a.m. po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kung saan man po kayo sa mundo, I hope your day is amazing. You are happy, you are healthy, you are enjoying life. Yes, yeah. Touching base with you again, guys. Yeah. So super inspired po ako from our mastermind, Millionaires Mastermind last night. But anyhow, before that, shout out muna sa aking mga followers diyan. Maraming salamat, mapabago man kayo or mapaluma. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Sa pag-i-engage yun sa mga post ko, pag-share. Yeah, so I really appreciate that. Yeah, so anyhow, super inspired ako, grabe. Every single Wednesday, last night was our first one for this year, the new year. But we normally have it every single Wednesday. So most of you guys na nagpalo sa akin, you guys know na meron akong online business na gino-grow ko in social media platform. And Facebook, makati ang aking ilo. Facebook ay ang aking malaking pinakamalaking platform. Kaya nandito ako nag-share, nagla-live, nagpo-post because I wanted to share this amazing business opportunity sa inyo guys. Oh my God, makati ang aking ilong. Allergy na naman yata ito. But anyhow, konti lang siguro. I'm just gonna share a little bit with you guys. So super inspiring talaga, especially doon sa isang business partner namin na nagsishare sa kanyang journey. Because think about it, ang dami-daming tao na talagang nagtatry dito sa business na ito but tumitigil or hindi nagsasucceed. And then they will say na the business did not work for them. It's all the way around. It's not work because you did not work for it. Because when it comes to resources, talagang super dami. So doon ako na-inspire because marami naman akong pinagkukuhanan ng inspiration talaga. But the one last night, she shared her journey. So this lady, she's been in network marketing. She was huge in network marketing. She was one of the top. And she was doing that one for a while, and she has like so many people, and she's really she has lots of experience. Okay, now when she started in this business, she was she lost that company, na parang tumigil yung company. Because think about it, ito yung pinakagusto ko dito sa aming business community, kasi 9 years na po itong system na ginagamit namin and still really going really strong. Because see, napatunayan lang talaga last night is talagang na-solidify talaga yung kumbaga, I'm so glad na na-solidify yung decision ko to choose this business. Emma, thank you for watching. To choose this business because the system is proven already, and din naandyan yung community support. Yan ang talagang sabi niya in the business that she was doing before, hindi nagtatagal because there was no solid support, solid community na talagang tawag na para itaguyod talaga sila. So kumbaga, successful siya doon sa network marketing na kanyang sinalihan, and for many years marami siyang team members, and thank you for watching. And pero biglang nawala yung company. So what would you do? Diba? Kasi marami diyan, lagi kong sinasabi, super dami diyan ang sumusulpot na online business. Talagang, ang dami-dami diyan. But you have to be very careful because not everything will, like, not every company or those online business, like most of them, nawawala ka agad. Tatagal lang yan ng 2, 3, 5 years, mga ganon. Because they don't have solid foundation. Wala silang community na katulad sa amin. We are the biggest online business in the world. We are the biggest one. We have like almost 300,000 people for 9 years na ginagawa namin ang sistema na ito. At it's still growing every single year. So talagang kung trend ang pag-uusapan, hindi pa baba, pataas every single year. So what does that one tells you? Talagang it's still going strong after 9 years na. This year is the 10th year. So talagang super inspired ako because I know that I am in the right business. Nandoon yung support. Talagang kumbaga na-inspire ako because although ganito yun. Kasi dito talaga na nasusukat kung bakit yung iba bigla na lang nawawala. Na kauumpisa lang, 'di ba? Tapos walang tiyaga na gawin yung kanilang sariling negosyo. So think about this. Ito yung nasa isip ko. If you are working in the same company for 10, 15, 20 years, pero wala pa ring usad ang buhay mo. Melinda, thank you for watching. Pero wala pa ring usad ang buhay mo, pero matyaga ka. Matyaga ka na nag-overtime, matyaga ka na okay lang sa'yo na babayaran ka ng minimum lang. My goodness, why, like, that extra time na ino-overtime mo, if you are going to work that one towards your business, my goodness, 5, 10, 20 years from now, magpasalamat ka dahil yung business mo na yan ay talagang dadalhin ka sa, tawag nun, you will get the success na you really want. So, depende talaga yan sa atin kung paano natin gagawin, paano tayo, but here, super dami ng resources. So, alam niyo ba na talagang successful na siya doon sa previous na company niya na bigla na lang nawala. Right? Successful na siya doon. Pero nung mag-start siya dito sa business na ito, dito sa platform namin, she started from the scratch. So, yun talaga ang key dito. Na talagang kung kayo ay willing na matuto, talagang willing na magpaturo, na kahit na meron kayong experience, talagang iumpisahan nyo, talagang back to zero, iyan. Talagang magsasucceed kayo. Super, nakaka-inspire ang success niya because kahit na siya ay talagang may experience, kumbaga alam na niya ang in and out ng ganitong klaseng negosyo, but she still started learning and learning. That's what she was saying, learn and learn and learn, like attend all, like, sessions that you can na makakatulong sa iyo para mag-improve ang business mo. So which is talagang yun nga naman talaga dapat ang gagawin. Hindi yung mag-uumpisa ka pa lang ng business, ang sasabihin mo na, paano ako kikita? Guys, in any business, traditional man yan or online business, ang dapat iisipin pagka nag-umpisa ka is, how do I learn all of these things? How would I do it in order to be successful? Sino ang gusto ang ipa-follow ko para magturo sa akin? Maging open ka dapat because you are new, right? So doon ako talaga na-inspire na kasi ang dami-dami sa aking mga ka-business partners na ando na nag-umpisa na. Ako nahihinayang because lagi kong pinapalo up na, what can I do? What do you need help with? Mga ganon. Pero hindi sumasagot. Ako ang nahihinayang. Because I know you started this business because may pangarap ka para sa pamilya mo. Pareho tayo. May pangarap din ako. Right? But, kahit busy ako, binibigyan ko ng time ang aking negosyo because I know na ito yung magpatawag nun, ito yung magbibigay sa akin ng freedom na gusto ko. Freedom na magkaroon ako ng more income, freedom na mag-retire ako ng maaga, freedom na makapag travel ako without asking anyone for permission. Yung bang ganun? So nagtatyaga ako because I know that this business is the one that can give me that freedom that I want. Right? Of course, I am grateful sa aking work. I am grateful na meron akong magandang trabaho, you know. But again, ang work is meron tayong sinusunod na protocol, 'di ba? So wala kang sariling say. Kumbaga, yes, na andoon nga, nakakaraos ka man, 'di ba? Nakakaraos ka man, depende kung ano man ang klaseng work mo, nakakaraos ka man, pero hindi ka basta-basta na makaalis, hindi ka basta-basta na magbakasyon because you have to, like, you know, you are following someone's schedule. You don't have the say, right? So that's not freedom, right? And yeah, so siguro kung may freedom ka with finances, but do you have the freedom to give time for your family anytime you want, right? Do you have the freedom na na magbakasyon anytime you want? Probably not, di ba? So yan yung naibibigay sa negosyo na ito. Right? So, kaya ako nanghihinayang because a lot of people like, you know, but doon talaga ako na-inspire last night because to think about it na malawak yung experience niya, yet nag-start siya as if she was in grade 1. Right? So yan ang key. Kaya lagi kong sinasabi, ang key mo dito is your willingness to learn, willingness na magpaturo, willingness na magbigay ng time. Yes, everyone is busy. We all have 24 hours a day, pero nasa sa atin yan. Ang key diyan is kung ano man yung ginagawa mo ngayon na hindi nakakatulong towards sa goal mo, yan yung ipapalitan natin. Yan yun. So, but the very key talaga is you are going to, like, you know, willing to learn because naandito na sabi niya, nung makita niya yung platform, nung makita niya yung business community, nung makita niya yung paano yung training site, paano namin ginagabayan yung mga bagong nag-i-start ng business, sabi niya, this is it. Sabi niya ganun. Because dito niya nakikita na even na doon sa previous na companies na meron na talagang super successful siya, pero walang katapat ang platform na ito, sabi niya gano'n. So talagang super boost ako dahil alam ko na I am in the right business talaga. So super inspired ako doon sa kanya. So talagang yun ang takeaway ko. Talagang sabi niya, learn and learn and learn and learn because like how can you help people kung hindi mo alam? So yun. And think about it, guys. Whatever you learn, walang makakakuha yan sa iyo. So yan yung pinaka-success mo. Walang makakakuha yan sa iyo. Nasa sa iyo yan, daladala mo yan kahit saan ka pa man. Kahit saang lupalop ka man sa mundo, daladala mo yan because naandyan yan, embedded yan sa iyo. Right? So don't be afraid, don't be scared to learn. Don't be scared to, like, you know, give time to learn. Kahit na anong ginagawa mo, kahit empleyado ka man, give time to learn every single day because makakatulong yan sa iyo. I'm not talking about business. I'm talking about your everyday life. Kung saang field ka man, makakatulong yan sa'yo. Right? So yun yung sabi niya, learn and learn and learn and learn as much as you can. Because yan ang key to success. Right? Learn from people who have done it. Because talagang doon ka matututo doon sa mga tao na pinagdaanan na nila. Yeah, so anyhow, yan lang ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo guys. So I hope na kahit papaano na inspire din kayo. And yeah, so anyhow, if you guys would like to know more, thank you sa aking mga watchers diyan. Maraming salamat. If you would like to know more about the business, my business or online business, so naandyan po sa aking business page ang aking website. All you have to do is to sign up with your name and email address, and then ang aming back office na po ang magpapadala ng information na kailangan nyo. And then once na napanood nyo na ang webinar, feel free to message me po, and I will be more than happy po to answer any question na meron kayo regarding my business. So anyhow, thank you again na sinasamahan nyo ako. Thank you, maraming salamat. Enjoy the rest of your Thursday, enjoy the rest of your week. I will touch base with you again later. And